Hey everyone, welcome to the Crypto ZX channel. If you're new, do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. But now let's get right in today's topic, which is regarding none other than Pepe. We're going to be analyzing the chart, see where the price is going and where we could be headed as we do go further into the month of June. So if you like these kind of updates, you guys know what to do. Come join the Crypto ZX army, follow me on my Twitter, and now let's get right into it. So if we're looking at the price right now, as of June 4th, 2023, you guys can see there is about 5 zeros in front of the price, currently sitting at 123, down 4% in all Bitcoin, Ethereum, and USD comparative over the last 24 hours. If we're looking at its market cap, on the other hand, currently sitting at $518.2 million, and the 24-hour trading volume currently sitting at $68.1 million. But now let's get into the analysis, see what is happening, and if there's any news that is worthwhile covering. So if we're looking at their Twitter following, you guys can see 295,000 followers as of June 4th, 2023, and we could be breaking that 300,000 follower count that we have not yet broken. So that is definitely something to point out for the viewers, and that shows the community is growing. And speaking about community, hold on to that thought, because I'm going to show something to you guys regarding that. But if we're looking at their Twitter, you guys can see not much in terms of community engagement. And if you guys watched my ladies update earlier today, in the ladies update, I've mentioned the same thing. Projects like this, especially Pepe, with such a huge amount of power for a project that has come out in the crypto space, that has taken the crypto space, by a storm, really needs to get that community going. The community needs to get going. And what really is happening, that really shows you the power of Pepe is, if you go on a majority of the big exchanges post, as I've explained to you guys before, Coinbase, for example, if you guys go look at Coinbase's any post, you would see Pepe community really coming together and just spamming the comment section on any Coinbase post saying when Pepe, list Pepe. And that's exactly what a community needs to be doing. But I'm not talking about the community as in like the people, they're doing everything they need to do to really make things going. But Pepe, like their team, really needs to ramp up community engagement, give incentives to their investors, the people that are part of the community, the people that are taking time out of their day to really get things rolling, get the name out of Pepe. They need to get incentivized, and that's what I think needs to get worked on. And of course, that is a little bit of a criticism I might give Pepe for that. But other than that, community is massive. You guys can see this for yourself. But overall, the side of things, like the tweets, it's just pictures. And I've said this about male ladies as well. I don't like this because it gets repetitive. You need to get something exciting going. But overall, you guys can see all we're seeing right now is just a picture. GM Pepe, to remember and honor Memorial Day Pepe. But we need to see somewhere the community can come together and really get things going. But with that rant out of the way, let's look at this. This is what I want you guys to keep a very, very close attention to. So look at the holder count. The holder count is increasing. So literally on May 31st, we did see a little bit of a decline in the holder count, but look at this pickup, like this uptick that we're seeing. And now you may be saying, why is this increasing? Why are the holders increasing right now when the price is not even going towards the upside? We're nowhere near all-time highs. We're on the downside. Why is the holder count growing? Wouldn't the price go up? What a good question you may be asking. This shows that OTC buyers are buying like crazy. Now you may be saying, why are these OTC buyers not just buying on exchanges? The reason as to why this is the case is because they can make a massive impact on the price, and of course they don't want to be doing that. They want to be picking it up without any price impact. So this is where OTC trading occurs, and I'm seeing OTC buyers are really picking up Pepe like crazy. Hence we are seeing a massive spike in just a matter of 4 days. That shows you newcomers are coming in, big players are coming in. And if you were here for the early beginnings for Shiba Inu, very, very similar things are happening. Like, it's crazy. It literally looks like a copycat of Shiba Inu's early beginnings. I'm starting to see a very, very close correlation between the two, and you can see there's people coming despite the price not being going crazy or anything. We're seeing holder count increasing, and that shows people are picking up. And speaking about people picking up, all these massive exchanges that are listing it, they do daily and weekly buybacks for Pepe. Does that ring a bell? Does that really show what's going on? So this accumulation that we're seeing, we're going to get a little bit more into that. But before we get into the charts, guys, you guys know that anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in crypto. So looking at its market cap, currently sitting at $513.6 million as of now. So let's look a little further as to what really is happening. So the one thing I can definitely point out right away is that we still have not gone back down to the May 12th prices. And in order for us to even revisit the May 12th price right now from the current price levels, that is a move of still about 18%, and that's quite a substantial drop in my opinion for Pepe to reclaim that spot. Is that on the table? It definitely is. If we lose this support at this 1,177 cents mark, there is a strong likelihood Pepe could retest that. But the fact that it's holding quite substantially around this range really shows the power of this support. And if we look at it from this angle, especially from the bigger picture, from all-time highs, you can see it pretty much looks like we have been consolidating pretty much on the sideways since we have broken below this level of support, which is at that 2,125 cents mark. And speaking about that level of resistance, we are currently about 76% away for us to reclaim that level. So when we're looking at the bigger picture of Pepe, it literally has everything. You cannot make this up. It literally has everything in its way for it to be very, very successful. But with that said, there's going to be times like this, guys. There's going to be times where consolidation happens, whales manipulate the markets. So that's exactly, I think, what we're seeing happening right now. But remember, Coinbase still has not listed it. Robinhood still has not listed it, and not only that, we are nowhere near an altcoin season. And when altcoin season begins, Pepe is going to really react to that. And not only that, of course, those two exchange listings, and again, this is just speculation, but I don't see why they wouldn't list it. Obviously, regulatory regulations needs to be considered for these exchanges. They're in specific jurisdictions that require a lot of regulatory requirements before a listing can happen. So I think they are aware of the power, and it's just a matter of time when we see this happen. Probably I honestly think they're waiting for a better entry point. Who knows? But I think, and I'm still very confident that Pepe will make a comeback and start knocking on the door for Shiba Inu. I don't think Pepe is over. Pepe has made a massive statement for itself. The community is huge, but of course there are some things that the Pepe team really need to work on in order for the project to succeed more, and that is community engagement. But other than that, this project literally has everything for itself to succeed. Yes, we are seeing a little bit of volatility within its price, downwards momentum, but that is part of the game. And this is meme coin at the end of the day, and this is crypto. Welcome to the wild west of cryptocurrency land. I've told you guys from the beginning, you want to be following 3 rules in crypto space, and those are: always do your due diligence and research, always invest what you can afford to lose. If you have done those 2, patience is your #1 key to follow. But that is it for today's update. Let me know down below what you guys think. What you guys think about this analysis. Are you agreeing with me that the whales are accumulating? What are you doing right now where you could see the price of Pepe at the end of 2023? Let me know in the comment section. Love you all. See you tomorrow. I've been Crypto ZX, and peace out.